Welcome to a journey through time as we unravel the captivating history of Islamabad, the dynamic capital city of Pakistan. From ancient civilizations to the modern metropolis it has become, join us as we explore the rich tapestry of Islamabad's past, tracing its roots, major milestones, and the remarkable evolution that has shaped this iconic city. Stay tuned for a glimpse into the history that breathes life into the heart of Pakistan. Islamabad, the capital city of Pakistan, stands as a testament to the country's rich history and its continuous evolution. From ancient civilizations to modern urban planning, Islamabad's story is a fascinating journey through time. Ancient roots. The region that is now Islamabad has a long history dating back to ancient times. The area has been home to various civilizations, including the Gandhara civilization, which flourished around 1500 BCE. The archaeological sites in and around Islamabad bear witness to the ancient roots of this land. Babur and Mughal influence. During the 16th century, the Mughal Empire, led by Emperor Babur, left a lasting impact on the region. Babur, the founder of the Mughal dynasty, traversed through the area, appreciating its natural beauty. However, Islamabad as we know it today did not exist during this period. British colonial era. In the 19th century, the British Empire established control over the Indian subcontinent, including the region that would become Pakistan. The city of Rawalpindi, located near present-day Islamabad, played a significant role as a military and administrative center during British rule, post-independence period. With the partition of British India in 1947, Pakistan emerged as a separate nation. Karachi initially served as the capital, but due to its geographical location and other considerations, the government decided to move the capital to a more central location. Planning and construction of Islamabad. In the early 1960s under the leadership of President Ayub Khan, the decision was made to build a new capital city. Renowned Greek architect and town planner, Konstantinos Apostolodoxiadis, was enlisted to design the city. Construction began in the early 1960s and Islamabad officially became the capital of Pakistan on 14 August 1967. Modern development and growth. Over the years, Islamabad has grown into a modern and cosmopolitan city. The city's infrastructure has developed significantly, with well-planned residential and commercial sectors. The Faisal Mosque, one of the largest mosques in the world, stands as an iconic symbol of Islamabad. Political significance. Islamabad is not only the political capital but also a hub for diplomatic activities. The city hosts numerous government offices, foreign embassies, and international organizations. Its strategic location and well-planned layout make it a vital center for political and administrative affairs. Cultural and educational hub. Beyond its political significance, Islamabad has also emerged as a cultural and educational hub. The city is home to various museums, art galleries, and educational institutions, contributing to the intellectual and cultural vibrancy of the region.